Welcome to Home of Math. Today we simplify a radical without calculator. Let's start. Here we are seeing root over of 25 divided 5 minus root 24. So in this scenario we are seeing in denominator here is 5 minus root 24. So this expression conjugate is 5 plus 24. So we will multiply 5 plus 24 root 24 numerator and denominator. So 25 times 5 plus 24 divide 5 minus 24 times 5 plus 24, right? Now here is 5 minus root 24 and 5 plus root 24. It's looking a square minus b square theory, a plus b and a minus b. So we can write 25 times 5 plus root 24 divide 5 square minus root 24 square. Okay, so here is 25 times 5 means 125 plus 25 root 24. Okay, and denominator here is 5 square means 25 minus root 24 square means 24. Okay, so here is 25 minus 24, it means once, no need to write. So here is 125 plus 25 root 24 over root. Now in this scenario we have to keep memory like a plus b whole square theorem. It means a square plus 2ab plus b square. This expression we have to make a point which one looking a square plus 2ab plus b square. So first here is 125 plus 25 root 24. What can we do? 24 2, here is 12, again divide 2, here is 6, divide 2, here is 3, right? So this one we can write for these two we get only 2, and here is root 6. Once we square root 24 we will get 2 root 6, right? Now our target is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here is 125 plus this 2 we can keep here, and this 25 we can write root over 625, and here is root 6. Why this one? We know 25 square is 625. So it means once we square it 625 we will get 25. Here is 125, we can write 75 plus 50, and this one is 2, and this 625 times 6 we can write like this 25 times 25, and this 6 we can write 3 times 2. Now look, this 75 we can write root 75 square plus, look, here is 25 times 3, it means this one is 2, and here 75 times this 25 times 2 means 50. So look, this one 2 root 75 times 50 plus this 50, we can write root 50 square, then over root. Now look, whole things it's looking a square plus 2ab plus b square. So whole thing we can write root 75 plus root 50 whole square, okay, and over root. We know a square over root, it means a, so this a root and square will be omit. So our answer is here 75 root plus here is root 50. So this one we have to work in next worksheet here from last page, okay. Root 75 we can write 5 root 3. Why? Look, 5 root 3 once is square, here is 5 square means 25, root 3 square means 3, so it will become 75, right? Again root 50 we can write, look, 25 times 2 it means 50, so 25 square means only 5, 25 square root means 5, and here is root 2, so we can write 5 root 2. Once it take common 5, here is 3 plus root 2. This is our answer. So we can write, so here is 25 divide 5 minus root 24 whole root equals to 5 times 3 root 3 plus root 2, okay. This is our final answer. Thank you very much being with me. This is very important for lots of admission tests like Harvard, Cambridge, and also it's very important for Math Olympiad. So don't neglect this math. You should try your best at your home. Practice, practice and practice. Thank you.